In this video, we'll show you how to transfer funds between accounts. Click on the Funds option on the main menu, and then click on Transfer Funds. Choose the account you want to transfer funds from, in this case, the main account, and the destination account, in this case, MT5 Standard. Click on Next, then set the transfer amount. Verify the information and click Continue. You will see a pop-up message when funds have been transferred successfully. If you click on Accounts Overview in the Accounts menu, you will see the final balance. You can also transfer funds between MT5 and MT4 accounts by following the same process.